So we're going to the car meet. Finally, we are going to take the car to a car meet. Since last time, nothing has been done to the car. Hasn't been touched almost. So we just need to move some of this stuff, and then we can drive it out and have a look at it in the sun. Because Bergen, where I live, where we are now, where I am now, is not really known for sun. It's known for rain, or it rains a lot. Anyway, but today is sunny. So I'm just gonna check a few things, since I had bad experience with one time the wheel almost fell off. I'm gonna check the wheels. I'm gonna check, yeah, the oil, even though it's not that long ago I checked it. I'm just gonna bring a few tools, so in case something happens when you don't have tools, or when you don't bring stuff with you, that's when something happens. But if you bring some tools with you, usually nothing happens, right? Kind of better safe than sorry. So we're going to the car meet. Car meet is done, and just filled up the tank because I'm not sure if I had enough to come drive all the way home. I've only filled, yeah, this can be an issue. Fuck's sake. Started to get a bit nervous there, because if you know where this gas station is, the neighbors is not the people who likes modified cars, and they can do something about it. So not that this car is modified, it's stock. It's just for legal reasons it's stock. So yeah, gonna drive home now. Not home, to the workshop, and then I don't know, and then something. So this is where we are now. This is a pretty nice place, I think, for photos. Got the car here, some mountains, we are in a valley, and we even got like a small river going down here to this small lake. So I'm thinking, since I have the opportunity, I'm gonna take some photos, maybe some video clips of the car with this scenery. And the nice thing about this place is that there's basically no one here, and the road up here is kind of like, I would say, Norwegian, small Norwegian normal roads. It's not wide, it's twisty. Even if you're going the speed limit, it feels like you're going pretty fast sometimes, and it's quite fun, especially I think with a small car like this. I think it would be fun in any car. Pretty nice scenery to have. Should have had a few different cars. Line them up here, done a photo shoot in this light.